morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's Wednesday morning, time to track down what's going on with the major currency pairs, and should we switch some support and resistance significant levels on the chart. Don't forget, today is Wednesday, Bank of Canada interest rate decision, very important event for Canadian dollar, 2 p.m. GMT time. 1.75% is the forecast for the interest rate, and it's actually the same like the previous one. Let's see what's gonna happen after that, followed by 2:30 p.m. GMT time crude oil inventories and 6 p.m. FOMC meeting minutes. For sure, today is going to be very volatile day, especially for US dollar and Canadian dollar and crude oil. So let's see what's going to happen. Euro US dollar, what's going on? I don't like Euro US dollar. I don't trade it quite often. And right now the price staying on 1.12. round number, and I would say significant support level. I'm not gonna play support level on this because there is no clear levels according to the technical chart. So we see very strong drop to the downside since the last couple of days, 6-7 days, and simply any moment we can see euro recovering to the upside. GBP US, absolutely continuation to the downside, broke out the support level, became resistance. We could have seen actually a recovery to test the resistance again, didn't happen, and continuation to the downside. I'm gonna wait for the recovery, then I'm gonna start thinking about shorting a Great British Pound. Australian US, absolutely brilliant breakout trade on the support 0.6961. Here, as you can see what's going on. The price reached the resistance level, going down, after that bounce back, and beautiful breakout for 40 pips. Very important and very significant support here around 0.6961, and we can see today recovery or continuation to the downside, but the Australian dollar was very good for shorting. New Zealand US, what's going on since this morning. Price is trying to recover, breakout of the support 0.6613. I'm gonna keep the same levels. I'm gonna watch for this level even though it's not perfectly clear. 0.6613, our resistance level, and then continuation to the downside. USD Canadian, let's take a look first the crude oil. Crude oil yesterday made a very significant upside movement, $1.3 growth, and for absolutely, I would say I'm pretty confident we can see 59.70, even higher price per barrel. Crude oil inventories, this is the topic today for sure, and interest rate decision in Canada. So this is what the crude oil is going to follow today. And if we get back to USD Canadian, US dollar just gaining strength. That's why, not because of the weakness of the Canadian, simply because of the strength of the US dollar. That's why we see this recovery to the upside. Important level 1.3150, around this level. We can even put another resistance here in order to make it the resistance zone 1.3145, 1.3150. It's very tight resistance zone. I'm gonna delete this level here because it's not relevant anymore, and I would delete even this too. So we keep only this resistance level until we see what's gonna happen around it, breakout or reversal to the downside. So for now I'm remaining bullish on the crude oil. I want to see first the crude oil inventories and the interest rate decision, so then we're gonna see if we break out 59.70 for sure. We're gonna see further upside momentums. So USD Japanese, I'm sorry, I missed USD Swiss. What's going on here? Not very clear chart, even though it's going in a downtrend. As you can see, very strong drop followed by very strong recovery, quite normal price action, and right now is staying right above the support line. So the support zone, it's I wouldn't say it's very clear according to the technical chart. So it was tested here, and right now, as you can see, is just wondering where to go. So we still can see the parity level 1.0. This is very important resistance zone level, and I'm gonna put the parity level again just it's been in front of my eyes. USD Swiss, I'm gonna be very careful if I'm gonna trade USD Swiss franc. Probably I'm not gonna trade in the upcoming days, but be careful if you're trading USD Swiss. USD Japanese, still absolutely, I would say we are still bearish on this one, even though it break out the resistance level, which became support. We want to see what's gonna happen in the upcoming days. Then I'm gonna trade USD Japanese. We definitely can see continuation to the downside. If not, we're gonna see very strong breakout to the upside. For now, just watch it, observe it, see how it's behaving, and then you can take any action. I'm gonna keep exactly the same levels on the USD Japanese yen and just gonna watch what is going to happen. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Very important day, very volatile for Canadian US and US dollar, of course, and crude oil. Go trade, have a very profitable day. I expect my video on Friday, of course. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, thumbs up, comments below if you like the video, of course. You know how to reach me if you have any questions. Have a very profitable week. Enjoy the day.